A search that police say turned up drugs and cash landed 3 people from Kewanee behind bars.
The Kewanee Street Crime Unit spoke exclusively with Local 4 News, saying this is the biggest bust they've seen in recent months. That is tonight's top story. 26-year-old Jordan Hart and his mother, 65-year-old Betty Hart, were arrested Saturday morning. Today, 21-year-old Anastasia Vogt was arrested. Local 4's Kewanee Nakayama reports the weekend activity has some neighbors on edge.
The small town of Kewanee has seen a drug surge in the last several years, and neighbors are saying that after what transpired over the weekend, they hope that they don't see something like this happen again.
I've lived here all my life.
For neighbor Cody Smith, walking her dogs brings her a sense of joy. But in recent years, she's had to schedule her walks to avoid any trouble.
I never used to be scared to go different places here in town at night. I won't go out even with the dogs late at night anymore.
She says the drug bust that happened over the weekend just a few blocks from her home didn't come as a surprise.
I see big incidents here in the little towns.
26-year-old Jordan Hart has been charged with manufacturing or delivering 15 to 100 grams of cocaine and cannabis, and possession of the 2 drugs, to name a few. He could be facing 6 to 30 years in the Illinois Department of Corrections. His mother, Betty Hart, has been charged with unlawful use of a building and possession. She's now out on bail. Today they made another arrest.
The girlfriend was arrested and brought to the Henry County Jail today for obstructing justice.
Officer Eric Peed, who works for the Kewanee Street Crime Unit, says the neighborhood need not to worry, saying the siege over the weekend was a step forward to fighting the drug war.
Hopefully it'll take a big chunk out of the problem in Kewanee, and that it'll send a message to the other people selling drugs that eventually you're going to get caught and you're going to end up in the Henry County Jail.
Police officials tell me that investigations connecting other drug activity to Hart are still underway. In Kewanee, Kewanee Nakayama, Local 4 News.